Hi, I'm Lindsay. I'm the creative coordinator at Bisque Imports, and today we're going to make this vintage Merry and Bright platter. Here are the products that you're going to need to complete this project. The supplies that you're going to need for this project are the extra large coupe oval platter, the Merry and Bright silkscreen, Blue Dawn, Till Next Time, Army Surplus, Just Froggy, Pooh Bear, Rosy Posy, Hot Tamale, Cottontail, Speckled Silver Lining, Black Foundations, Silkscreen Medium, a wedge squeegee, detail liner brush, a round brush number 2, paint palette, popsicle stick, masking tape, and a pencil. Start by using masking tape and tape down the Merry and Bright silkscreen to the center of the platter. Then pour 1 teaspoon or about a 50-cent piece sized amount of black foundations on a smooth surface that can be used for mixing the silkscreen medium. Then add a pinch, about a half size of a dime, of Mako silkscreen medium into the black glaze. Then take the wedge squeegee and scoop up some of the glaze mixture. Then press the mixture onto the silkscreen. Make sure to spread over the silkscreen evenly, covering the design. Then squeegee the excess off the silkscreen. Carefully peel off the silkscreen and masking tape off of the platter. Immediately wash the silkscreen and let dry. During this time, the silkscreen design should also be dry on your platter. Next, fill in the light bulbs on the silkscreen design using Hot Tamale, Blue Dawn, Till Next Time, Just Froggy, and Rosy Posy. Use a small round brush and water down these colors a little bit to where they are transparent. Fill in all the lights in the design like this, only applying 1 to 2 coats of the watered down glaze. Then use your detail liner brush and add some outlines on the inner edges of the bulbs with 2 to 3 coats of the same color that is not watered down. This will give the bulb some depth and make the glass look transparent. Paint in the light sockets with speckled silver lining. Then add darker accent marks over top. Then take a pencil and lightly draw a curved line down either side of the platter. Make sure they are pretty symmetrical. Using the detail liner brush, trace over these lines with 2 coats of Just Froggy. Next, take the detail liner brush and add quick brush strokes on both sides of the line to create greenery, using Just Froggy. Make sure to do this on both sides of the platter. The brush strokes start to taper towards the top of the platter. Repeat the process on the other side of the platter. Clean off your detail liner brush, then using the cottontail white glaze, add a few accent marks on the Christmas bulbs. Next, using Pooh Bear, add some accent marks around the light bulbs to give the effect that they are glowing bright. Once your detail brush is clean, add some black details and accents to the greenery to give it some depth and texture. Along with the greenery, add a few black accent marks over the top of the Pooh Bear accents that are around the bulbs. When the greenery is dry, take the rounded end of your paintbrush and dip into the Rosy Posy pink glaze. Add a few clusters of holly berries on the greenery. Over top of these, add some hot tamale spots. That way, these clusters should have pink and red. Let the berry clusters dry completely. Using the detail liner brush, do some quick black half outlines on these berry clusters. Finally, add some white accents on the holly berries with the detail liner brush and let it dry. Once dry, dip in clear glaze and fire to cone 06. Enjoy using this vintage style platter for serving your favorite holiday treats, or use as a darling display to make your holiday merry and bright. And that's how you create this wonderful holiday platter. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out bisqueimports.com to find all these amazing products. I hope you have a great holiday season.